Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. How are you guys? I hope that you all are doing great. And today in this video, we are going to celebrate my English journey. Not only mine, but also yours. Why? Because almost I've completed 2 years. Especially today in this video, I'm going to share my 2 years of my English journey. Yes guys, just imagine the time flies away very fast. When I started my English journey, especially on October 1, 2023, I didn't imagine, I didn't even believe that I would speak English fluently with this amount of confidence in front of you without any camera fear, camera conscious especially. And another thing, I'm so excited, I'm on cloud nine, I'm over the moon, especially today. Why? Because I've already mentioned in you my previous video that currently I'm doing my MA English Literature at Thiruvallur University. Especially, this is my first new experience that I'm doing my master degrees at university because I've completed my bachelor's degree in Government Arts and Science College, Atupakam. I hope that you remember that. Right now also I'm doing my graduation, post-graduation in government sector only, but especially at university. So today, what happened? Something excited things which happened. After that incident, I was literally blushing that whole day. What is that? I think I'm creating so much of curiosity towards you, right? Yeah, let me reveal the secret and let me reveal the incident also. It's not like a secret. What happened is, today I've taken a seminar and the rule of the seminar is, the one is we have to take 20 minutes. We have to explain the particular topic 20 minutes. And second one, we never use even a single Tamil word. Okay. The complete seminar will be in English. That is the rule. Okay. Which was given by my professor. So as it is, but I did not worry about the 20 minutes that I have to take seminar, especially without using even a single Tamil word. I prepared it, I put so much of effort, and I've taken so much of notes and including so much of realistic examples and realistic acting also. I've done acting also regarding the topic especially. And I almost crossed 25 minutes. One of my professor reminded me that, Priya, you already reached your 20 minutes. After that, I got literally shocked and I just concluded my seminar. Once I completed my seminar, then I was literally blushing. I didn't know why I was blushing. You can see in this video also, I'm literally expressing my thoughts very happily on a cloud nine, right? Especially I'm on a cloud nine. See, why I said, why I literally celebrating my 2 years of English journey. October 1, 2023, I just started my English journey. 2 years almost completed. Today, I feel very proud of myself, especially about my English. Yes, guys, I agree with that. I make a lot of grammatical mistakes, but I do not worry about my mistakes because no one is perfect. If I expect perfect English, definitely it's impossible, right? It takes a lot of time. Even native speaker also make a lot of mistakes. When it comes to our native language, which is Tamil, if we speak in Tamil, definitely we mispronounce a lot of words, right? Sometimes we forgot the correct word. We usually think what to say even in Tamil. So what about English? English is not a mother tongue. It is our second language that we have been learning, especially to achieve the fluency. So I do not worry about my mistakes. So this is the one incident which happened today and I was blushing throughout the day. Till now I am blushing, right? So this is my one of the success I've made. I am literally very proud to started my journey on October 1, 2023. It made be possible. Today, in my class, I am the only student who presented the whole lecture for 25 minutes completely in English with such a wonderful, confident way. I never expected it. And you know one thing, whenever I get these kind of opportunities to take seminar in front of class, I am the only one person. First, I raised my hand and I just given my name and I started to narrate the story or give a summary, etc. But nowadays, I will be feeling very happy because I've reached my fluency. It's not enough for me, but I put 2 years of effort, right? I put 2 years of effort in my English journey especially and I almost reached that. So in this conclusion of the video, what is my motive to create this video is, even when I started my English journey, I didn't believe that I speak English fluently one day, and I did not have enough confidence, and I had so much of inferiority complex within my heart especially. But right now you can see I'm just expressing my thoughts just in my mind from my heart. That's it. I'm not preparing any notes. I'm not preparing any content. I'm just speaking to you. I'm feeling like that. I'm not recording a video. I'm just speaking to you from my bottom of my heart. So this is my great success, right? And one more good news is there for you, which is because of English, right now I'm just working as a part-time communication trainer and soft skills trainer in polytechnic engineering colleges. Like I selected as a trainer, communication trainer and soft skills trainer for students who studying polytechnic. That kind of opportunities in my hand, and I've been doing it. So I would say that if you are a beginner who wants to be fluent in English, who wants to initiate your English journey, just begin. Just now, just begin it. Because when I started my English journey, I was completely blank, but that I want to become fluent in English. This is one motive. And you can know one thing, even in my heart, repeat this one quote again and again. I don't know why it's doing it, which is English can change your life. Priya, English can change your life. Even if I go to temple, if I visit any church, that time also when I'm just worshipping God, that time I'm just repeat this quote again and again with my heart, which is English can change your life. English can change your life. But I don't know how is it going to change my life. But this is the one quote which my heart is literally receiving. So I believe in that one word because my heart received that word, right? So I believe the sentence, and I'm working on my English. Right now I reach my dream level. Next level is I would like to reach my advanced level. Okay, right now I almost cross intermediate level English, and my ambition is to become one of the best communication trainer and soft skills trainers and orator also. So that's why I'm working on my English journey. So you too work hard. If I can do it, why can't you do it? See, this is one quote, right? When I was a beginner, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos where YouTubers have shared their English journey. In that YouTube videos also, that YouTubers usually tell that if I can do it, why can't you do it? If I become fluent in English, why can't you become fluent in English? Like that I used to watch when I was a beginner. But after 2 years, I'm standing in front of you. I'm just expressing the same quote. If I can do it, why can't you do it? If I can do it means definitely you can also do it. So I think this is my motive of this video to create. I am literally very happy to started my English journey on October 1, 2023, and I completed 2 years almost. In the next 2 years, I am going to achieve my advanced level. And finally, I would like to tell you that if you want to improve your English, if you want to become fluent in English, first you have to be patient, okay? Most of the people would fix some deadlines on their mind that I want to become fluent in English within 6 months, within 3 months, within a year, I want to crack the interview. Like you are just pressuring yourself. Don't pressure yourself, okay? Just enjoy your English journey, especially. Definitely you also be fluent in English very soon. Okay guys, that's it all about this video. I'll come up with another interesting video very soon. Take care. Bye bye. See you.